Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're going to have a look at this little set here. They're like pigment liners, and this is a full set, so you get like all the different um, thicknesses to work with here, and I will show you in a second what I mean by that. So as you see, we got a brush, and then it goes thinner and thinner until we actually get to 0.05, which is pretty small, not gonna lie. And yeah, pretty cool, especially when you are actually into drawing and pen sketching and stuff. This is definitely worth checking out. And I will get to use these on some paper here or cardboard so you get an idea, because it is pretty straightforward. So for example, we get this tag here, and as you will see, we can do some really nice and clean writing. So not much to complain here, to be fair, and you can keep going and going on that, and feel free to, yeah, get what you need. And let's go for a different one here. As you see, this one is thicker and stronger, and yeah, I'm just loving that. You can really express a lot. You can get what you need, and in general, really good set here. Especially, yeah, like I'm sketching quite a bit on my papers, and that's where this comes really in handy, because it's just pretty yeah, straightforward, and it gets you there. So yeah, I think I can call this a day. I will see you around in the next video, you guys. And yeah, take care. I'm Badger. I'm out for today. See ya.